to Falcon Gaming 3.0. So today's our gameplay will be on COC. So yesterday I showed you the war number 1 of our clan CWL, that is our clan is also taking part in CWL. So today I will show you the second war of CWL. So let's not waste the time and let's go to the war. So this is the war. So Bloody Brothers is my clan, as I showed you in first war. So if you have not seen the war yet, so go to my channel and there will be the first war I have uploaded yesterday. So today's we are facing Devil Empire, as I said yesterday, and they have done 3 attacks and they have scored a 0 star, and we have done 15 of our attack and we have scored just 36 star, just 2 star less than yesterday's war number 1. And today I will start with the war info. So in war info you can see that nobody has got a heroic attack, but there is a heroic defense, that is number 12 of our clan Sahil. So let's see his replay first. So let's see what the attacker have used. The troops, they have boosted their troops. You can see here it is blue mark, that means it has been boosted, and the king is also been boosted here. So here we use 7 wizards and 2 P.E.K.K.A, 1 minion. So let's start watching it. So this is our defender base, Sahil's base. I don't know what, not yet done. Oh, he dropped archer. What a long wait, he's waiting and he thinking. It seems that he was thinking from which side I have to attack. So let's see. He drops the poison spell. Here goes the troops and a wizard. Baby dragon in search of that wizard. Here the witch is using. Okay, still the baby dragon of our CC troops is there. Oh, the baby, you can see here the baby dragon have just a little life and all his wizards is out, so there is no more air troops for him to destroy this baby dragon. So let's see. Use the king first, and he used the ability also, but the baby dragon is going to destroy this king, and the king goes down. Okay, the king has goes down. So let's see what will be he doing next. So he used the P.E.K.K.A here. Baby dragon is also going to kill this P.E.K.K.A. The earthquake spell, there is no use of the earthquake spell here. I think he thought that the earthquake spell may destroy this baby dragon, but it's not going to happen. So let's see what the baby dragon is going back of the Valk, and the Valk goes. Valk is down. Only a single P.E.K.K.A and 2 Valk is there in this area, and few Valks are here. So the baby dragon is in search of the P.E.K.K.A now. Okay, you can see here that all was finished, all his troop got finished of this baby dragon. If he killed that baby dragon at the starting, it might he have got a 3 star or maybe a 2 or even a 1. So now you can see that he got only 33% and not even a single star. So let's go back to the war map. So I will show you some of the hero, that is not a heroic attack, but I would like to describe them. So let's start with this. This is a number 9. Her name is Pragati 13. She done an attack on number 5. So let's see where is number 5. So here it is number 5. I think it is a town hall 8. So let's see the replay. So she had done an attack on number 9. So she used Golem and Pekka behind the both the they have she has released two wizards, so it would give a support to the wizard to clear off the defense, whatever it is. So she back to back she released the king also of level 10, so it seems a good attack because all the defense will target only to the Pekka, king and golem, so back to back the wizards may get chance to destroy all the surroundings. So she left a level 6 loons also from the CC, so it is a superb 3-star attack. A town hall 8 doing a 3-star attack on a town hall 8 is also a good, but this town hall is not max. I will show her base. I think she had a max base of town hall 8, so let's see. So this was a good attack. She got a 3-star. She did an attack on Verine of Devil's Empire, so it's a good attack for her. 9 is doing on 5 is also good. I thought she would have got the heroic attack, but it was not there. So I will show you another attack, a good attack also. Okay, it is an attack of number 11. She did an Lavender Lux, so she did an attack on number 11 Thor. So let's see her attack also. So it is a town hall 5 base, it seems. So she used one archer, 8 giants of level 3, 1 wall breaker of level 2, and 15 balloons of level 3, and 2 wizards of level 3, 1 healer and a 1 healing spell. So it is a good troops, it seems. So let's see. So she used all her loons here. The baby dragon is killing all her troops, so this is a good defense of Lavender Lux. So I will show her attack now. Lavender Lux attack, she did the attack on number 11. So let's see the attack now. So where is the number? So this is the number 11 Thor. So it was done by Lavender Lux of 15 of our clan. So let's see now. So this is the base. So what is the troop she uses? 22 archers of level 3, 9 giants, 2 wall breaker, 8 loons, 6 wizards and a clan castle troop, CC troop, and a level 4 lightning spell of 2. Let's see the attack now. So she deployed all her giants from this side, and the wall breaker goes and break the wall, so 1 is not enough. So she broke the walls and the air defense goes down. She deployed the archer on the either side. Here goes the loons, and here goes the CC loons of level 6. It is a good attack now. With the loons itself, she would destroy all the base defense here. Yes, all the defense goes down, so now it will be easy for her to destroy all the other things. I will So this is a good 3-star attack of Lavender Lux. So a 15 doing on 11 is a easy thing, but because of the weak base, so she did a good attack. So I will show you the season info of our clan from yesterday. Actually, Bloody Brothers was standing first, but because of the average destruction done by this clan, so we have came back. So 2574 average destruction. You can see here that both the stars we are same, both the clans are same at the start, but because of the destruction difference we came back. So it doesn't matter, we will try to become our first again. So I will show you the third war. So third war preparation day is going. It is with the Uzbekler, that is the clan which is standing first. So hope that we will defeat this clan and come front again. So I hope that you like this video, and if you like new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share and like our video, and I will be updating all the war matches that is happening in CWL for the upcoming 1 week. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification of our channel. So till to that I will stop this video here and see you in the next video. Till take care, goodbye.